So Silicon Bay Marina, the workboat. It's had an oil change, oil filter change, belt changes, belt tightening, sealed up some leaks in the exhaust pipe with some tape, new air filter, a lot of stiffening under the deck, a lot of electrical work. The alternator's running in the wrong direction for the cooling fins, and there's a little more smoke than I'd like coming out of the top. But she started up and pumped the raw water straight away because the belts are tight. And so it's kind of looking all right. It looks like there's a cover for that shaft spinning there that's missing. So I'll have to make sure those wires get kept out of the way in like rough water. And otherwise it looks like it's running pretty good. Pick up that oil soaking rag at the bottom. A little bit of exhaust still coming out of these pipes. Not all the gauges work yet, so they're not reliable yet at this point. I need a reliable water or engine temperature, water temperature, and that pretty much tells you everything that you need to know. And yeah, so this is, I think, ready to go.